It was the first time something from beyond our solar system came so close to Earth. A mysterious object entered our space, moving faster than anything the Sun could keep in orbit. This strange traveler surprised astronomers around the world. No one expected anything like it to appear so suddenly and without warning. The object was later given the name Alua. Its discovery happened in 2017 through a telescope in Hawaii, starting a new chapter in space exploration. From the beginning, Alua did not behave like anything scientists had seen before. Instead of being pulled in by the Sun's gravity, it simply passed through the solar system. It moved at such high speeds that it became clear it came from outside our solar system. This made it the first known interstellar object to come near Earth. Astronomers were both amazed and confused. They had only dreamed of finding such an object one day, but now it was real. As Alua moved across the sky, its brightness kept changing in strange ways. This made it hard to understand its shape or size. Some believed it was long and narrow, shaped like a cigar. Others thought it was flat and wide, almost like a pancake. Even more strange was that it started to speed up slightly as it moved away. There were no signs of gas or ice melting, which usually explains such movement. Comets often have tails and release gas as they warm up, but Alua had none. No visible outbursts or trails could be seen behind it. Scientists were left scratching their heads. What was this object, and why did it act so differently from anything we've studied? Many ideas were suggested. Some thought it was a piece of icy rock, while others believed it might be a fragment from a larger body. Artists created drawings to imagine what Alua might look like. Meanwhile, scientists ran computer models to trace its path and possible origin. But none of these ideas could fully explain the mystery. Years went by, and the questions about Alua remained unanswered. Then, in 2021, a new telescope brought hope. The James Webb Space Telescope was launched with tools powerful enough to look deep into space. Even though Alua had already passed by Earth, Webb's instruments could still detect traces of it. The data it collected changed everything we knew about this strange visitor. Photos showed that Alua's surface wasn't smooth or round like most asteroids. Instead, it was rough, layered, and looked damaged by time and radiation. It appeared to be a piece broken off from something much larger. Perhaps it once belonged to a distant planet or moon that faced some kind of disaster. There were no impact craters or icy signs, just a surface shaped by countless years in space. Its long journey had clearly left marks on it. Webb also discovered something more surprising. The surface of Alua contained carbon-based compounds, more complex than those on any comet in our system. These compounds were similar to those found on faraway moons like Titan or icy planets like Pluto. This suggested that Alua came from a cold and distant part of space, far beyond what we can see. Cosmic rays likely altered its outer layers over millions of years. This created unique chemicals that we had never seen on objects from our own solar system. Alua was not just a space rock, it was a relic from another time and place. Its story was one of survival through harsh conditions and cosmic events. Something powerful must have launched it from its home system. Perhaps a star exploded or a large collision forced it out into deep space. When sunlight hit Alua, it revealed more secrets. Some areas reflected light, while others absorbed it, showing a mix of materials and textures. This mix told scientists that the object had a long, complicated history. It had experienced many things on its long journey across the galaxy. Alua's motion was also unusual. Instead of spinning in a smooth way, it tumbled and twisted through space. This kind of movement is rare and often means the object was hit hard at some point. That impact may have sent it into motion, spinning wildly for who knows how long. Every detail added to its mystery. It became clear that Alua was something very rare, a true interstellar messenger. It reminded us that we are not alone in the galaxy. There are objects, and maybe even life, out there waiting to be discovered. Alua's visit opened the door to new ideas in science. It helped us think about what other solar systems might be like and how space works beyond our sun. The discovery also made people wonder, could interstellar travel be more common than we thought? Could objects like Alua regularly pass through our space without being noticed? For the first time, humanity had a physical object from another star system to study. It turned science fiction into something real and possible. Students, researchers, and curious minds everywhere now had a new reason to explore. This was no longer just a theory, it was happening in our lifetime. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we could get a closer look at this visitor. Its discovery may lead us to find more objects like it in the future. Still, many questions remain unanswered. Some people even wonder if Alua could be a probe or technology from intelligent life. We don't know the truth yet. But it's the mystery that keeps science moving forward. Alua showed us that the universe still holds surprises. There is still so much we don't know, waiting to be found. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.